can you explain to Ustada how can your servo can rotate?
Because we're divide to the different code, so like this.
Okay.
As you can see, this is the first code, and this is the second code without this tool. So we're using the first code like this, so it can go like this.
Okay, good job. This is your result, okay?
Yeah, when I press the button, it will stop for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, good job. Okay, Kak Iris, what is the difficult when you make the circuit?
To make sure the cable is through.
Okay. So, the servo can rotate well, okay? Okay, good job, Kak Iris and Kak